Garvey Maceo and Kingston College, winners of the Issa da Costa Cup and Manning Cup, returned to their respective schools on Monday after lifting their titles on the weekend. Karen Madden reports.
It wasn't the usual noisy welcome that would greet the teams as the COVID-19 pandemic meant all celebrations were muted. At the North Street camp, the victorious Manning Cup team was hailed by a small group of sixth formers representing what the school body feels about them. On the podium, their efforts were celebrated by a proud team including Principal Dave Myrie, team manager Donovan Germain, and head coach Ludlow Bernard. Team captain Jamone Bartley is an outgoing senior, and after handing over the prestigious trophy to take its place in the school cabinet, he shared his feelings with TVJ Sports.
I'd rather carry it home with me, but it's a good feeling, winning the trophy. It's been a long season, a very, very hard season. It's been a lot of training, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, so it's a very great feeling.
For their part, Germain and Myrie paid a tribute to the structure around the team, including a former vice principal who lost a battle with COVID-19.
You see, this win in particular is dedicated to one of our stalwarts, a vice principal, Juliet Wilson, who unfortunately passed on during this COVID pandemic. And this one's dedicated to her because she loved her sport. If you call her, she can give you every stats about players and about what we've done. And so this one is dedicated to Juliet Wilson, who we still mourn the loss because she was such a bigger than life for Kingston College. So Juliet, this one's for you.
I'm elated, but one thing I must say, people tend to, in their accolades, forget the management of the school, and without good structure, you cannot have continuous success, and that is what has propelled Kingston College to where it's at right now. We have a good management structure around the team.
Meanwhile, over in Gimme-Me-Bit in Clarendon, the team nicknamed the Cubans revved up the moment despite not having the full school at their celebrations. Head coach Meron Gordon, who himself was stricken with COVID and was absent from the bench at a critical period, told TVJ Sports the team fought through their adversities.
One broken leg, one broken hand. But it was a very good season in terms of these boys. They showed a lot of character right through the season. Early on, we started camp. We had to break because of the COVID. They came back. They worked very, very hard. The past student association backed us. The principal backed us. Everyone was in our corner this year, and I think that was what made the difference.
His sentiments were shared by Principal Erica Eubanks.
We knew that we were ready. We were ready for this moment. And I just have to say to my boys, in whom I am well pleased, we did it, and we are so proud of you.
KC and Garvey Maceo will face off this Saturday to jostle for the Olivia Shield, the final piece of trophy for the schoolboy football season. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.